goodbye to dental caries and to dentists thanks to this. In 18 days, this is the testimony of a person from London. Cavities are an evil that appear when you least expect it, for various factors being poor hygiene the main factor. I know it's hard to believe, but in this video we'll give you some tips so you can prevent them. Combat and eliminate such odious cavities. There are natural methods that can help you fight and eliminate cavities, among which we can recommend. 1. Completely remove sugar from the diet. If you want to avoid a trip to the dentist and still maintain a healthy denture, you must eliminate sugars from your diet. Sugar feeds the bacteria present in the oral cavity, which disrupt the normal movement of dental fluids and generate acidity. Both factors decalcify and demineralize the structure of the teeth and cause cavities. 2. Improve your diet. Preventing and eliminating cavities requires a greater consumption of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals through meals. Try to eat more vegetables and fruits. In addition to extra virgin olive oil, you can also start eating more seeds and nuts. This will give you the perfect combination to have caries-free teeth. 3. The technique of cardamom milk. This technique has been used for centuries as a procedure for oral detoxification. Simply place a spoonful of unopened milk in your mouth for 20 minutes and then spit it out. At the beginning you can try 2 to 3 minutes and gradually reach 20. In addition to taking care of your teeth, you will also help treat different conditions such as headaches or gingivitis. 4. Make your own toothpaste. You can also make at home a mineral-rich toothpaste by mixing the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons of agenu's pasta, 1 teaspoon of turmeric juice, 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of rosemary oil. I ask